Welcome back to the next video on Lesson 5 histograms. This one's going to be short and sweet, but kind of really important. And we're going to talk about the types of distributions. Once you get your histogram, it's going to look a certain way, and we like to basically classify it or categorize it or describe it. And so we're going to use words like normal, or symmetric. This one's what we'd call a normal distribution or symmetric, skewed left, skewed right, bimodal, uniform. And here's a little bit more detail about what it is and what goes on. So a normal distribution, aka a symmetric distribution, is approximately symmetric. So if you were to divide this in half, the left and the right half look about the same. This one's perfectly normal, but it can be a little bit off. Real data is never perfect. So if it's approximately symmetric with a peak in the center, then the mean and the median are approximately here in the same place in the exact center. This one we call skewed left. And you might think it's skewed right because this is big on the right, but it's actually skewed left. When we talk about skew, the tail is the skew. So there's a long left tail, so it's skewed left. And the effect here is we got some a few really small values. The mean, the average, which we'll learn in the next lesson, gets moved to the left, gets lower. Skewed right, there's a long right tail, and the mean gets pulled to the right of the median. Bimodal has two peaks. These peaks we call a mode. So there's two modes in this graph right here, roughly. And then uniform has roughly the same height all the way across, and the mean and the median are in the center again. So that's it for this one, actually.